For all you girls where wear thin clothes and I see your drawers through it, it don't look good. I'm telling you the plain truth, it doesn't look good. So please, 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 please go to any local beauty store, clothes store, whatever store you get your panty them, you know.
Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care.
Welcome people, it's your girl Nishoy and I'm back with another video today, guys. So in today's video, as you can see by the title down below, I'll be doing a Shein try-on haul. Now people, if you all know that, well, if you are, for those of you who know me, you know that my birth month is in August. So yes, I am a Leo queen and I am here to do like some birthday try-on haul and so forth. So birthday outfit try-on haul and so forth. So I went ahead and I scouted through Shein and I picked out a few outfits that I think that would be nice for my birthday and for whenever I want to go out and I'm just gonna casual date or whatever. So before I jump into the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell because it keeps you posted whenever I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is, like, say for instance, I'm gonna talk about the outfit and then I'm gonna show you like a clip of it. See? So let's jump into like the stuff that I got. So I went on Shein and I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I got some 6, 7 outfits. But my birthday outfit that I will not be showing you guys. You guys will see this in my photo shoot video, and you guys will see this on the excursion video. So for those you don't know, say you guys will see those at a later date. So for now I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 outfits that I'll be showing you guys right about now. So the first outfit, before I go into the outfits though, guys, so I got some balloons. So I got like a 12-pack balloon that I'll be using for my photo shoot. I also got a backdrop. I don't know, we don't have to buy no backdrop. We just get one white sheet, one thick nice white sheet, just hang it up and you get your lighting and everything and your phone and your camera. It just takes a nice picture. That's what I'm doing for my birthday. And some number balloons. You can get these in any local stores out here, or you can order them on Shein, Amazon, what's the other one called? Shein, AliExpress. You have a lot of them. Alright, so the first outfit I'll be showing you is, so people out, we already planned like wherever we're going, it's gonna have a little bit of water, but not a lot. So I might wear my swimsuit. So I went ahead and I got my swimsuit on Shein for like $7, $8. Nothing wrong with that. So this is like a 2-piece thingy. So this is the bottom and this is the top. And I'm gonna insert like a little clip right about now just for you guys to see me inside of it. Too sexy baby. Alright, let's continue. Now for this outfit, I got like a jumper thingy. For some reason, I can't find like the band to go in this side of it, but don't worry, I'm gonna make a band because everybody know that I sew. So this is like a romper thingy. So this is like my least favorite because it's kind of big. But anywho, so this size is see, I don't remember what size this is, but this is it. It's like you have this shorts, and then the foot part is okay, coming all the way down. So this is like, I think I'm gonna use this for one of my foot part. I don't know. I might use it in my photo shoot. Done. The next outfit is, so what I want you guys to do is to comment down below and tell me which one of the outfits you then like the most. So this one is like a leopard, is that what it is? A leopard print outfit. So it's like a shorts and a tie top thingy. So this one is like, I think it was $8 or $6. I want you guys to rate this outfit down in the comment section down below, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell, people, because guess what, next month starting September I'll be doing post notification shout out. I'm serious this time. For the previous time I was not that serious, but I'm serious this time, people. So stay tuned, drop a comment. So the next outfit is like a white dress. It'll go on with a bag of things. I love this dress very much, hence the reason why I went ahead and I ordered it on Shein. I'm not gonna lie, people, Shein kind of cheap. This is not a paid video, but I hope this video get blown up, you know, because all my videos I'll be getting like 200 300 views and those views. But so here we go. So this dress, drum roll please. So this dress is like a, what should I say, it's really thin though. I think if you look you can see a little bit through it. You can see my finger moving. It's really thin, I can tell you that much. All you girls wear thin clothes and mess your drawers through it, it don't look good. I'm telling you the plain truth, it doesn't look good. So please go to any local beauty store, clothes store, whatever store you get your panty them in. Ask them if they have seamless panty. Get it in a black and put it on under this. Black, are you just wearing a short on that? Nothing wrong with wearing a shorts, people. You know, nice to see your panty through your clothes. Alright, so, and it has like this frilly arm right here. I'm not gonna lie, this really light, and like this is feel like a little, you know, casual date, like you just go out with your boo, like a Margaritaville trip or Ritz Cafe trip, or just want a little dinner, you know. Don't do elaborate, it's okay. Alright, so I really like this dress, and for the previous outfit like this one, I really love like the leopard print. I had a leopard shoe once but I can't find it, so when I find it I think I'm gonna wear it with this and so forth. As for the pink one, I don't really like it that much. Alright, and people, I got me a romper. I see people I buy a romper for like $40-$60. I'm telling you people, you see me, I'm very cheap. I'm very cheap. See, so when you come on to like clothes, you know, I say I want to spend one proper money and get the good thing them. Yeah, But you see, when you can spend little money and you still get a little proper with things with little quality, that's the key. That's the key, people. You have to learn to budget and take your time and spend a little money you have and save some for rainy day. You can just spend out everything so for one outfit. You know what I mean? Yellow. So this is like a sexy romper, guys. I like this one. I love this one. I hope you guys love this one too. Alright, so this is like the sexy romper, people, and this I can just wear go on a regular day, but not a regular day. Like if you have a formal, not formal, casual event going to where you want to just look cute, or you just want to dress up beside your boyfriend and look good. Nothing wrong with that. Alright, people, so with that said, this is almost like the end of the try-on haul. So next time I'm coming back, I'm gonna bring like some different outfits, maybe some swimsuits, stuff like that. I don't know, maybe, just maybe, because I don't really like showing my body too much. So everybody always say, are you and your person who you're there with to see your body? So I think that's the key. I don't really like showing my body on camera, but maybe, just maybe, I will. Alright, I also got bag people from Shein, and it's cute. It's all the way over there. I'm not gonna go get that. So life update. I am here, people. It's just that I'm waiting for the week of my birthday to do a lot of vlog and update them, like upload them like on the days that I do them, hopefully. So I'll be doing like a birthday preparation vlog. So people, stay tuned. And guess what? Don't forget to subscribe, people. Me know someone wanna watch video them and wanna subscribe. Forgive me on the bed, the shaking of the tripod, because I put the tripod at the bed, and you know, so the bed me sit on the pants, it a shake. Alright, so you might see a little in it. So people, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please, 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 people. Me love you know. But you know, if you share the video them, please like the videos. The more you like the videos, the more YouTube push it out to their audience. Alright, people, so without further ado, take care.